no anka yenyai kra yema politicians no entwe omu free ho ye beton kra no a ye pe neutral person bi nanka bi a ye de ama no ene abruche kra investor bi a nanka ye de ama no nanka ma sanima we na to atwa doc
Evans Michel na mincha of a PV na Mr. Ishak so Michel any atiefo nyina e ba na dum so ntina ma
kafra
me da ho se
wada
ma atiafa so
oh kafra doc o man ho do asanteman ho do nti
nti of an cheme Evans wo hwe we ya privatization ya ye kan ya ne akofa we nyina wo hwe mu pa de a se ankrankra timi ebe fa aban djuma no enya de foforo ade a say World Bank ne IMF initiative very long time it's now kind structural adjustment where because of corruption mismanagement ne enyoma course wo aban djuma mu nti no now they wanted say private for so ebebem so nye ade bia yes something that is new in the system but the our band for this situation ama yen abegin here politics abi remove the only thing is the political aspect of it and the biameka say the politicians na nkasa no ye one of even a problem in the sense omoko ye ni nyina mo ye nobody can even say ono aban adwuma bi wo ho a wamfa ne ho ankogima na say wanya yi bi you see some of these things no eba ema said ye sebi Brian na asema ba na ye de nyina ye nkoto bo mo no ti say de Yesu ayi no say ho na enya bo ne da all of them are involved all of them are involved some people you can say ye track it all from government omoye aban na omafa kwan bi so agi aban japade even ye business kura aban japade nam si otimi anya ne cheap one cotton te ka ade aye ton part say the ton commercial we are ka onya sa akwanya no nti this thing no there's nothing wrong say will be a private or in adwuma na opese aban bibi opese odi ni room the only thing about Brian de na be you say we government official at the same time no a cabinet minister and they saw it say e bia we using the position and e be odi influence the system say be ya a bitimi aban ho but apart from that issue nko there there's nothing wrong for any individual and any company and owned by a Ghanaian. I am one of the people who may believe in the Ghanaian indigenous here be encourage you almost wait me I expand here now ka say yanko fo bi neutral na e be even so be clear but no I disagree. Let our own people we should groom you see I think say free China for some years back no? They were thinking of having growing their you can say indigenous a year to have about 200 billionaires. Is it what? Is it? Yes, 200 billionaires. Like, be grow say aban no ehye ye say wo yes say enkrofo anka mo wo ska no be show mase na komo so anya billionaires.
So Russia cry ye be.
Yes.
But people can say these guys were not politically exposed. No more entrepreneur say bianca oba ka Abramovich mo biawa hanka despite mo kokote mo those kind of business we be mo deliberately ye sheda mo manya ska no so etimi aboy
yes but see any bi wa hasa ye sheda ni say intention say Ghana phobia omo ye kura be am ye say o company ye guno ye de ye be ma ye be guno yeah, the politics be wrong as say no. Ama who would you begu because who yes car would be support party be another people. I'm just trying to let us know say aban no will role to play to ensure say indigenous people no so be me grow their businesses are a bit me ama a lot of abem. Eti me the Brian day is only the conflict of interest. He said Mr. Shaki can say because of the role or playing or buying in there, that is where the issue is. But for me, not government official and as there's nothing wrong of indigenous people going for some of these ventures because and enya no kwa ebia mejiri say apart from say bia akoshraga ye hwehwe no se bibi wo ho na se emra bi ne ye be hyehyede fine but I don't think say we should brand obi to say there wakofa aban to say the name say chaka say wakoye because there's no total outright sale of what of the hotels. A percentage and in business and I'm Mr. Jack and of a PV almost very well in business, you know. They will tell you say until say ubenya 100% of all the way, you know, then you have a total ownership of the business. Brian is not having a total be a management in other aspect. And ushemwa all abayuma private ayifobe wuramu nyina no. Even I think there has been Merchant Bank is one of them. Telecel, you can say Ghana Telecom. It's a Telecel. It is one of them. It's a share a lot of companies are or private for Bemwa. I think it has been helpful. Now buying the attention say obey operating on the governance aspect of the country and leave the businesses to what. But I will blame on SNIT. I think we should rather be more concerned about SNIT, not engaging stakeholders. Can't go far away because what mean can't say SNIT did not engage San Crawford no more trade unions. You did not engage them before some of these things happened. As he said, I almost where you were free to say there no moon can and I say they are not aware. These are the questions I'm asking. And for me, I am one of those because me a part of SNIT, my contribution. They will manage our resources. Sebi, idea SNIT enya we'll tell you I'm invest ko ye in mfaso be na wo. As a worker that are buying yesika nketenkete no, who could invest in hotels for what? A lot of investment into one kasano. SNIT and they need restructuring, they need new composition for them to think for our investment. Or more one that are buying the control kakrentino. What they crofobia and it's not about this government, successive government. Wrong investment, wrong ways of doing things, and of course some of these things. Why do you say workers sika? What they call hotels? What they call it? And I was just listening to I think Cocobot, and they are saying say Golden Bee crown investment in the crown. They are even operating at a loss. You know, and there are certain investment a year. You need people who have investment background to advise you. And look at some of these. Batubakono, yes, you can boom bentino. Bibia motamia no more the and look at what has happened. And if it is also being diversified, say man for Burma, I think the process should be well. You kind of saying because I am buying a government of Ghana and now say workers, Yesika. So transparency Burma nanka day. So sometimes the SNIT is also part of the problem. Kauma ye na nipa ye expose abaya na sebi obi akofa information bi na say information here classified no dey abeto na create problem bi am say there aban no ne nkrofo na shisha underground na. Why do you do that? SNIT workers pension and as a workers money that you want to use, you don't want what transparency. Bibia na nkrofo bi be da no for aban juma na fe dey as a clandestine kind of yibia kululu sa adenya wodia enya wodia government of Ghana ni aye workers sikaye dia mamo say nti wo ye bibi say ya let transparency be known so that obia be hu say nyina ye part of it. But because of you are in a position kakra bia wanya dia man ntino onu agidi say he has the control. And I am one of those people I was buying etimi reducing the power of control on the board of Senate. Oh, it is very not because investment from this kind of crano. Hotels in what? And I can fuck be dear cray. Fuck be dear. Is Evans? It's so horrible. Oh, we are Tamania, what year you know ya because Anna, you know, say idea say Senate ni ana obi kura kohona omo special treatment for some of these things. Eya ban yi enti you so ade na ma de no ji say to the level that you expect say was a generate yi. Say where private ni ya na bema you see how very soon the thing will change. Facilities on basis ano and you must be into the standard. So some of these government agencies in you may be certain moves be omo ya emwa. They should seek expert advice, investment advice before they move in.
All right.
But because of selfishness, a buying bizu interest be a war baby nintino. Then they move in later. Then they come in MPA, petroleum wine, no more jimu, maybe to talk to bicycles, maybe to talk to motors. And for so bad was why do you go into some of these? Why don't you be focused? Sir, I didn't hear the amamono. A pension for a month for sika. Why don't you try to have investment? Some of these investment schemes anyway, no, and Crawford down now more how to invest and get more money. They say, "Who me no yet?" So we are don't be now on Slate. Say Slate. Say you queen Yamea, no be our time or soon as a walk pensioner. Let's sebi. Why we are so through AGB or how we are there because a human body system no, but I could be there. Ebe fa ho na afa ho na bia nka misika ewo Senate wo behwe how much will I be earn can you do my right investment ke bia misika I'll be getting what more interest on that enti ebe affect you na se wokoye yare bia na nye aban bi de beka se bia wo de national health insurance aye fa se da year kidney you will die. How much more will you get money to but if so na must save and I say maybe save as a government worker no my year juma misika ma akru kakra manya interest and Evans the be can say and she say bia obi anya bone Brian onye bone for now until say bia any ye bia ba no say use as a case no about that and American last time na PV me go say about 99% of a buying crop for obi no one benefit government bia and no yeah,
all right.
Maybe I you know.
All right. PV. Okay. PV. Yeah, say mo